Miss Strout was, out of all the mentors I was just thinking about, most of my mentors were men. Miss Strout was my female mentor. Miss Strout is still alive. She is still a dear friend. Her name is Jenny Salzman now. She's remarried. Miss Strout was my high school English teacher. When I was in the 10th grade, I met her, and I had her for 2 years in a row, but we got to be great friends. I was her protege, I suppose. She was an English teacher, and she was sponsor of the Future Teachers of America, and I was the president. And then the next year I was the regional president. So we would go to conventions together and we'd have meetings, and Ms. Strout, though, gave me more than just being my sponsor. We promoted teaching. I love the idea of being a high school English teacher. That's what I wanted to be. On graduation day, she called me over and she said, "Come visit, come over. I know you're graduating tonight, but come on over. I want to talk to you." So I got over to her house, and she said, "I know we've been promoting teaching, but you don't have the patience for it. You're not going to be able to be a high school English teacher. Think of something else." I said, "What do you mean? We've been promoting it for the last 3 years." She said, "You would not be able to put up with what teachers have to put up with, whether it's from the school administration or the parents, or how to close the blinds," or she said, "You don't have the patience for it. I've known you for 3 years. You're going to have to do something else." Well, that was pretty shocking and devastating to me. So I went on to LSU about a week later. We started summer school. I thought, well, now what? I was going to major in education. So I thought, and I said, well, I want to do something for people. I want to do something for the world. And I thought the easiest, or not easiest, but the best path would be law school. That way I could have some open up opportunities to do things for people.